1. When benchtop belt and disc sander asterisk the WEN 6502 is a 2-in-1 belt disc sander that only joined the market a few years back. However, the machine has since then gained popularity at a very fast rate. Its features resemble those of the Ryobi BD4601G, but then it is cheaper. So, is the benchtop sander worth your money? View its features below before you can make that decision. Versatile, the WEN model is designed to serve all your sanding needs at the workshop. To ensure this, the sander features high-quality belt discs that ensure you sand smoothly and efficiently. Again, the 2-in-1 sander comes with an extremely easy-to-change 4 inches by 36 inches belt. 2. Bucktool Combo Belt Sander asterisk. The Buck tool with its unique design comes ready to offer efficient sanding services. The device is ideally made for professionals, but with its combination features, anyone could rely on its services. It is also one of the best straighted disc sanders, and as if that is not enough, the sander comes at an affordable price. Powerful motor. The Bucktool model comes with a 1/3 HP motor to help you sand quickly and efficiently, even with contoured wood pieces. The motor actually supports a working speed of 3,450 RPM, which in part means that you could handle a wide variety of sanding jobs. Again, the powerful motor helps its belt rotate up to 3,150 square feet per minute. 3. Riken Benchtop Belt Disc Sander asterisk. The Riken 52112 belt disc sander is built to make challenging jobs feel effortless. With its high-power motor and adjustable features, you can do numerous sanding jobs with the Riken model before you feel any fatigue. When it comes to construction, the sanders manufacturers had safety and comfort in mind. They probably also want everyone to afford their sandor, and that is why it costs less than $150. Easy to use. The Riken 52112 is one of the easiest to use sanders you can find. Everything from its design to its convenience features is all designed to make your working experience great. For PowerTech Woodworking Belt Disc Sander asterisk. The PowerTech BD1500 is ideal for any woodworking projects you may have in mind. It comes with a 1/3 HP motor to start with and supports up to 3,450 RPM non-load motor speed. But that's not all. With the sander, when you compare its less than $100 price tag with the services it can provide, you would be wrong not to at least check it out before buying your ideal best benchtop belt disc sander. Flexible and versatile, the PowerTech model is designed to help you power and use it easily and comfortably. On the other hand, the sander comes ready to help you out on whichever sanding jobs you may have at the workshop. 5. PowerTech Belt Disc Sander for Woodworking asterisk. If you would love to tap on the strengths of a belt and disc wood sander, consider buying the PowerTech BD4600 with this machine. You will enjoy the convenience that comes with tilt-table disc and belt machines, the versatility of what the sander can handle, and its power as well. Again, the PowerTech BD4600 is one of the top belt disc sanders in the market at the moment. It has high ratings even when it doesn't cost that much. Powerful 4.3 amp motor. The sander comes with a 4.3 amp motor, which ideally provides more than enough power to handle the sanding jobs at an average wood shop. To DIY lovers especially, the machine's power could seem so reliable and efficient. Since you probably don't handle multiple tough jobs, durable construction, though not often talked about, the machine's high-quality construction is evident from your first look at it. Its base, for instance, comes from a cast-iron construction, while the blades and other parts are equally made from high-quality materials. Convenient and flexible tables. The sander's disc and belt tables are not only big but also flexible. For your convenience, the working table measures on average 6.5 asterisk 8.75 inches. The disc 6 inches. 6. Riken Power Tools asterisk. The Riken Power Tools 50-151 is a top-of-the-line easy-to-use sander every woodworker should check out. It features a 110 volts, 1/3 HP motor, a combination of belt and disc sanding technology, and a cast-iron construction for maximum durability. Basically, this Riken model represents everything you would probably ask from a wood sander. Its speed at removing stock, reliability, and many convenience features would certainly impress you. And because of this, the machine is a bit more expensive than typical sanders. Efficient machine, the Riken model has a 5-star rating and multiple online reviews, especially when it comes to efficiency. Its powerful motor plays a big role in this efficiency. However, its high-running and reliable belt also ensure that you could sand whatever wood pieces you have with utmost efficiency. Again, its 5-inch 3,450 RPM disc is also designed to add efficiency when you need super smooth pieces of furniture to cast iron tables. The machine's tables are strong enough to hold any material you may hold, and also support tilt table designs to help you with convenience. The table can also be adjusted from 0 to 45 degrees for a wider positioning area. Quiet operation. The Riken model operates flawlessly with no vibration from the discs.